Hey, Mrs. Weatherall here again. Going to show you how to use Desmos when you are to solve for the zeros, x-intercepts, root solutions. All four of those mean the answer, where it crosses your x-intercept at. So the question may say 0 or roots, it means the x-intercepts. So the directions say sketch the graph of each function, state the number of real zeros, and approximate each zero to the nearest tenth. So looking at number 1, I went ahead and typed it in Desmos for us already to save a little bit of time. And I'm going to look at this graph. Now, you've got your graph sketched, so it's pretty easy to figure out which one it's going to be, but I do want to show you how to figure out the real zeros. So you're looking for the real zeros mean, well, this crosses the x-axis one time. And it's asking also to round to the nearest tenth. Well, if I click on that dot, I can see that it's 1.767. Rounded to the nearest tenth is 1.8. So your answer choice here would be A. Now, if you want to sketch these by hand, you're more than welcome to, but I recommend using Desmos. I'm going to go ahead and do another one with you so you can see what we're looking at. Okay, I went ahead and typed in my equation here. I'm going to make sure I typed it right, and it looks like I did. And I'm going to look for the graph. A does not look like it, B does not, C does. So more than likely it's C, but again, I'm going to look for the number of real zeros, because that may be a question you face on your EOC. And it crosses the x-axis here 2 places, so my real zeros are 2. And I'm rounding each of those zeros to the nearest tenth. So here you can see it's negative 1.755, which rounds to negative 1.8. And here we have 2.0, or 2, 0, so our 0 is 2. So C is our answer choice. So I hope you find this easy and useful. So when you're finding roots or solutions, you're more than welcome to use the Desmos calculator. Again, that's the calculator that is built in to the final exam that you'll be taking, the EOC.